Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this. This is the Rislone Maximum Performance Engine Treatment. So it cleans, restores, protects, quiets noisy lifters and valves, and reduces friction and wear. So I have a car. Well, it's not really my car. It's my father's car. It's a 2004 Hyundai Santa Fe, 2.7 liters. And it developed a horrible noise, a horrible tapping over the past 48 hours that's not going away. So we were wondering if adding this to the engine oil, would help. So we are going to follow the instructions and we're going to see what happens. So I'm going to do this off camera, but I'm going to show you the results and see what happens. Dale. Okay, folks, so it's time for the big moment. So I already added the Rislone oil treatment. I changed the oil, it's brand new. And I changed the filter. So let's turn it on and let's see if this works. And it does not. At least not for now. We might have to drive it around for a few miles. But let's go to the front. So it's not working. So we're going to drive it around and we'll see what happens. Okay, folks, so we are back and it's still making the same noise. So it's not going away. As you can see, same noise. It did not work. Okay, so we are back. And as you can see, it did absolutely nothing. So I'm very disappointed. And I just want to caution you, if you buy this, you might have better luck than we did. But please have your expectations very low. And that's it. It just didn't work out at all. I did the comparison. I recorded it. I recorded the noise level and I tried to make a comparison. I did that off camera. I'm not going to show it to you. You just got to take my word for it. But I looked at the audio level and it's the same. It did absolutely nothing. I didn't expect it to completely fix everything. You can see my greasy hands from working on this. But it did it 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. So it's up to you if you still want to try this. But in my case, I cannot recommend it at all. I used 2 of these. It's a big engine, but it still didn't do anything. So in any case, thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.